What's up, everybody? So here it is, finally. People have been asking. I got my ARH headers installed on my 2005 2500. Hard to see from the top, but ARH is the only company that makes headers for a 2500 because of these godforsaken motor mounts in there. It's just beautiful work on those headers, though. Really, it is. The only issues with install, really, are these hoses, the heater hoses. They're sitting right there. So I'm going to wrap these up with some heat wrap instead of the headers. I was told, by Nick directly not to wrap the headers. So I didn't. So that's the heater hose. And the only other issue with that is over here on the driver's side. I don't know where the throttle cable relocation bracket goes, but sorry, not the throttle cable, the shifter cable. But as you can see, that is right there, and that needs to be adjusted. I got to figure out where that bracket goes, and I'm probably going to wrap that up with some heat wrap as well. But there it is. This is the catted system. Sorry, I'm a little close to the ground. Now I'll come around to the other side and show you guys. So this is hooked up to the LMC performance catback exhaust, and the sons of bitches welded it. Why the fuck did they do that? Oh my god. Alright, well, I mean, that's not bad. I would have preferred that to be clamped instead of welded, at least for the time being. But it is what it is, and this is the first time I looked under there at that. And that's the LMC catback exhaust, basically from this point here going back. And I still got some adjustments to do back here. These tips are sticking out way too far. I gotta line them up. But for right now, it worked. Furthermore, how the fuck did they weld aluminized steel to stainless steel? I don't understand how this happened. So I'm actually kind of pissed off about that. But anyway. So yeah, the throttle cable, or fucking shifter cable, needs to figure out where to go. But before the ado is any more furthered, let's get that cold start everybody's been asking for.